Welcome to the Polarion ALM certification video, brought to you by Hope Infotech Software Training Institute. Visit our website at www.hopeinfotech.com for more details. Polarion ALM certification validates your knowledge and practical skills in managing the entire software development lifecycle. It demonstrates expertise in requirements management, test management, quality assurance, and end-to-end traceability. Why choose Polarion? There is high industry demand, especially in automotive, aerospace, and healthcare sectors, where compliance is critical. Furthermore, the platform is backed by Siemens, a globally recognized and trusted brand, adding credibility to your certification. Key features of Polarion include end-to-end traceability across the project lifecycle. It also offers real-time collaboration with shared dashboards and live updates. Additionally, you can benefit from customizable workflows tailored to your business needs. Polarion certified professionals can take on various job roles. These include Polarion ALM consultant, responsible for implementation and configuration, and QA/test engineer, focusing on quality assurance and defect tracking. You can also work as a project manager, overseeing progress and deliverables. The certification offers significant benefits, including industry recognition for your validated ALM skills. It also provides better job opportunities, as many companies specifically seek candidates with Polarion expertise, giving you a competitive edge. In conclusion, Polarion ALM certification is a valuable asset for a strong career in software lifecycle management. Backed by Siemens, it's highly trusted and relevant, enhancing your technical expertise and improving your ability to work in compliance-driven environments. To learn more, contact us. You can reach us by phone at 9,951,609,609 or by email at hopeinfotech@gmail.com. Visit our website at https://www.hopeinfotech.com/. We are located in Hyderabad.